Mystic Manor tour entrance. So let's see what's so mystic in here. Ayan. Oh, scary. Oh, ang cute. Look at that. It's a mini. Nha. Oh. Oh no. Baka di tanto haunted house. Baka di tanto makaturog dito. The collection of Lord Henry Mystic. Oh. Tawad din haunted house tayo na.
Come to Mystic Manor, Daga, Lido, my late home to a world-class collection of art, antiquities, and my personal residence. I am Lord Henry Mystic. The young fellow at my side is Albert, my traveling companion, confidant, and rather mischievous partner. Yes, Albert, that's you. Now run along. Well, for several years now, Albert and I have traveled the world in search of rare and precious artifacts for you to enjoy as you tour our home in Mystic Manor. These are just a few of our treasures. And here is our latest acquisition, an ancient music box. Legend has it that this charming music box has the power to bring inanimate objects to life with the touch of its enchanting music. Superstition and nonsense. Oh my. Well, we shall see when we open it, shan't we? Albert, who's a little fellow who can't keep his hands off that music box. Yes, you like that box, don't you? We'll examine it later. Now, what was I saying? Oh, yes. Welcome, one and all, to Mystic Manor. I better go find the little beggar. He's always up to something.
Oh, moray ay. Dagay anti kuan na mo lang kuna ko niya pa ti seatbelt na right eh. Oh. Oh, wow. Treasure. Ah, look at that. Oh.
Yeah, I was just looking for... Oh, there's the music box I told you about. I must find my little friend. might be true. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed your visit to Mystic Manor.
So that's the Mystic Manor.